Buzz, buzz! Hello, kids! I'm Buzzy Bee. Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark.
Ready for a super fun baby animal quiz game? Let's play and learn together! Question 1. A baby dog is called a puppy. Kitten. Answer, puppy. Awesome, you got it. Question 2. A baby cat is called a kitten. Full. Think fast. Answer, kitten. Great job. Question 3. A baby cow is called a blank. Answer, calf. Yay, you're so smart.
Dance with me! Woohoo!
Question 4. A baby sheep is called a lamb, duckling. Time to choose. Answer, lamb. Amazing. Question 5. A baby duck loves to swim. What is a baby duck called? Think. Answer, duckling. Super job. Question 6. A baby horse is called a bull. Brilliant. Question 7. A baby goat is called a underscore. Ready? Answer. Kid, great work.
Fun activity! Repeat after me. Puppy, kitten, calf. Good job! Go, go, go!
Question 8. What is a baby pig called? Piglet, chick. Hurry! Answer, piglet. Awesome! Question 9. This baby animal hatches from an egg and says cheep cheep. What is it called? Think. Answer, chick. Nice job. Question 10. A baby deer is called a fawn, lamb. Your turn. Answer, fawn. You're doing great.
Act like a buzzing bee. Buzz! Haha! So funny! Well done!
A baby lion is called a cub. Full. Think carefully. Answer, cub. Excellent. Question 12. A baby bear is called a blank. Ready? Answer, cub. Amazing work. Question 13. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Piglet, time's ticking. Answer, joey. You are awesome. Question 14. This baby bird grows into a beautiful swan. What is the baby called? Think. Answer, cygnet. Fantastic. Question 15. What is a baby owl called? Owlet, chick. Final question. Answer, owlet. Wow, you got it. Wow, you did amazing. How many did you get right? Comment your score below.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.